In the lush Amazon rainforest, a tiny frog holds a colossal secret. This vibrant amphibian, the golden poison dart frog, carries enough toxin to deter predators and maintain balance in its ecosystem. Surprisingly, its poison comes from its diet of ants and beetles, showcasing a quirky chain of dependency. Without these frogs, insect populations could explode, leading to a cascade of ecological shifts. This tiny creature's role in biodiversity is a humorous reminder of nature's intricate balance. Like this story, comment and subscribe for more intriguing tales.